गुस्से में है, शायद दिखा भी सकता है क्योंकि हम उतने दिमाग वाले के हमें समझ आए कि हाँ भाई वो गुस्सा है. We are sitting here, we can cry. We have that anguish in ourselves, we have that frustration कि हम दिखा सकते हैं. We have the quality to express. Then why hide it? अगर तुम राइटिंग से वो एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, अगर तुम बोल के वो एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, तुम गा के एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, then why not? Why hide? तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम अपने एकदम कंफर्टेबल एनवायरनमेंट में, if you do not take another step, are you going to actually live your life? तुम अपने कंफर्ट जोन में आके बैठ गए, लोग क्या सोचेंगे उसकी वजह से, and you are all on it, then do you think you will be able to get on some other level? Of course not. नहीं कर पाओगे. You'll be stuck in that thing. You'll be stuck in a loophole, and that's what actually happens. I'll tell you one more thing. 70% of their people. Okay, and now I need an answer to this question. ठीक है? Who all sitting here have met mediocre people in their life? Average people, ना बहुत अच्छे, ना बहुत एकदम कम. Average people. I really want people to raise their hands. तुम में से किन लोगों ने average लोग मिले हैं? किन किन को मिले? Average लोग? And who all thinks कि वो खुद average है? See, exactly my point. सुबह उठ के मिरर में जाके खुद को ड्रेसअप करते हैं 2 रीज़न के लिए. शायद तुम्हें ड्रेसअप होना पसंद है. दूसरा, शायद वो में से अच्छी दिख गई तो अच्छा तो भाई दिखना पड़ेगा उससे. क्यों? बिकॉज वी आर सो बाउंड टू इट. लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. खुद को मीडियोकर बना दिया, एवरेज है, हमसे कुछ नहीं हो पाने वाला. क्यों? क्योंकि दुनिया ये सोचती है कि अगर तुम पढ़ाई में नहीं अच्छे हो तो तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते लाइफ में. सुबह जाओ मिरर के सामने, देखते हो खुद को, अच्छा लगता है क्या? किन किन को अच्छा लगता है खुद को मिरर के सामने देख के? ये लोग हैं जिनमें कॉन्फिडेंस है, एंड दीज आर द पीपल हु कैन चेंज समथिंग. एंड दोज पीपल जिनको ऐसे देख के मिरर है, चलो छोड़ो, हो गया, चलो अपने तो हम तो ऐसे ही है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. They have that thing in their mind. और ये उनकी गलती नहीं है. That's one main thing. लोग बोलते हैं ना तुम डिप्रेशन में आ गए, तुमने कुछ किया होगा, तुम्हारी वजह से कुछ हुआ है. नहीं होता ऐसा. लोग कुछ करते हैं इसलिए तुम पे असर आती है. You are average because at every stage of your life लोगों ने तुम्हें एवरेज बोला हुआ है कि भाई तुम एवरेज हो, पढ़ाई में नहीं अच्छे, नहीं कर सकते कुछ, तो नहीं करते. एंड में तो ऐसा ही हो जाता है कि उनको नहीं पसंद मैं कुछ करूं, उनको ऐसा लग रहा है मैं एवरेज हूँ, तो भाई मैं एवरेज हूँ, आई एम हैप्पी लिविंग एन एवरेज लाइफ. देन एट दैट पॉइंट यू नीड अ थ्रस्ट. द थ्रस्ट आई गॉट, द थ्रस्ट फॉर राइटिंग, दैट इज द थ्रस्ट एवरी वन ऑफ यू नीड्स. दैट थ्रस्ट इन योर लाइफ कि नहीं तुम एवरेज नहीं हो, तुम लिखो. तुम शायद गिटार बजा सकते हो, हु नोज. मेरे को नहीं पता था आई विल बी राइटर, मुझे पता ही नहीं था आई विल बी राइटिंग. आई नेवर इमेजिन माई सेल्फ एज अ राइटर, इवन नेवर इमेजिन माई सेल्फ एज अ स्टूडेंट. पढ़ाई में मैं उतनी अच्छी बिल्कुल नहीं थी. तो फिर क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड? व्हाई डिड आई कम आउट ऑफ इट? एंड पीपल लाइक अस आर स्टिल कॉट इन इट बिकॉज आई हैड अ माइंड, आई थॉट अबाउट इट कि यार बोलेंगे, काम है उनका बोलना, हम कुछ नहीं करने वाले उसके बारे में. सम ऑफ द पेरेंट्स, ओके, पेरेंट्स प्ले अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन योर लाइफ. कभी कभार क्या होता है कि जब हमारा कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं होता, कोई होता नहीं जिसके साथ हम शेयर कर सकते हैं, एंड में पेरेंट्स आते हैं. तो वी टेल आवर पेरेंट्स कि पापा इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करनी है, मेरे को गिटार बजाना है. और उनके एक्सप्रेशन, बेटा तू मर जा, ऐसा कर, तू इंजीनियरिंग कर या मर जा, और कुछ मत कर लाइफ में. दैट इज अ बेसिक थिंग. ये पेरेंट्स की सोच है ये, और वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो ये लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है, हमारे देश की प्रॉब्लम है. सब ऐसा ही समझते हैं, यही करना पड़ता है, वो करना पड़ता है, कहीं और आगे वहाँ से थोड़ी निकल गए तो भाई क्या कर दिया तुमने, लाइफ बिगाड़ दी तुमने अपनी. अभी भी व्हेन आई सी पीपल ना, दे टेल मी यार तुम तो इतने स्मार्ट थे, तुम क्यों राइटर बन गए? डज इट मेक सेंस? तुम स्मार्ट थे, तुम क्यों राइटर बन गए? तो क्या राइटर लोग पागल होते हैं? राइटर लोग पागल होते हैं. दे हैव दैट पैशन, दैट पागलपन लिखने के लिए. पर आई टेल यू वन थिंग, दे आर फार स्मार्टर देन एनी ऑफ यू कैन इवन इमेजिन. दे हैव अ वर्ल्ड बियॉन्ड देयर इमेजिनेशन, बियॉन्ड योर ओन इमेजिनेशन. उनका पूरा दुनिया ही अलग होती है. अगर कभी किसी राइटर के साथ तुम बात करो, तुम्हें ऐसा ही लगेगा कि ये आदमी तो ये दुनिया में ही नहीं रहता, कुछ अलग ही है, अलग बात करता है. तुम उस पर मैच ही नहीं हो पाओगे, क्योंकि तुम्हारी बाउंड्री जो तुमने सेट की है वो उसने फ्री कर दी. He does not think about anything. That is basically what we want from the youth of the country. अब देखो, मैं तो अभी तक इतनी यूथ हुई नहीं, मैं हूँ 17 की, ठीक है. You are the people who are actually going to do something more in your life because you have the opportunity. तुम लोग इतनी अच्छी कॉलेज में हो, इंजीनियर्स बनने वाले हो भाई. You can do everything. So इसलिए people like Nandu sir who want to bring a change, they are trying कि कुछ हमारे जैसे लोग जो थोड़े साइड में से निकल गए वो आके तुमसे बात करें कि भाई तुम निकल सकते हो, कुछ कर सकते हो. मैंने किया, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं किया. क्या किया? मेरे को फील हुआ, लिखा, और तो कुछ किया नहीं. इसमें तो मेरे को स्टेज भी नहीं चाहिए था बोलने के लिए कि मेरे को स्टेज फियर हो जाए, कि मेरे को डांस करना पड़े, मेरे को सिंग करना पड़े, कुछ नहीं. एक रूम में एक कोने में बैठ के मैंने सिर्फ लिखा है, सिर्फ लिखा. और वो जो लिखा, मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो इतने सारे लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करेगा. आई हैव मेट पीपल हु टेल मी, जब मेरा मूड ऑफ होता है, आई रीड योर बुक. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट फील्स गुड कि सिर्फ हमारी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बहुत लोगों की लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, एंड दे हैड द गट्स टू मूव आउट ऑफ इट. दैट इज व्हाट दे से टू मी. और तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि यार लोगों ने बोल दिया बड़े आदमी बन गए, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है यार तुम अपने दोस्तों के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हो. दैट इज द मेन थिंग. आई लाइक टू आस्क यू, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हियर थिंक दैट दे आर गुड एट राइटिंग और इवन वांट टू बिकम राइटर्स हियर? प्लीज टेल मी. एनी एल्स? नो वन वांट्स टू बी अ राइटर हियर? किसी को लिखना, शायरियाँ, 2 लफ्ज लिखना भी है ना, लिखना ही होता है अगर दिल से लिखो. एक वर्ड लिख दो, ठीक है, कोई भी एक वर्ड लिख लिया मैंने, चलो एट द मोमेंट आई से आई हैव रिटन ट्रस्ट, पर वो जो इमोशन से मैंने ट्रस्ट लिखा. शायद ऐसा हो सकता है कि मेरी फ्रेंड ने मेरे साथ कुछ कर लिया, बैक बिचिंग कर ली, इसलिए मैंने ट्रस्ट लिखा है. दैट शी डिवॉइडेड मी ऑफ ट्रस्ट, दैट इज व्हाई आई रोट ट्रस्ट. सो वेल व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज राइटिंग. तुम 2 शब्द लिख रहे हो, तुम 2 लाइनें लिख रहे हो, दैट इज राइटिंग. पर लोग डर जाते हैं कि व्हाट इफ मेरी राइटिंग लोगों को पसंद नहीं आई. अपने लिए लिखो, तुम पढ़ो, सेटिस्फाई हो जाओ. और तुम लोगों को कितना जानते हो? आउट ऑफ 7 मिलियन पीपल तुम कितनों को जानते हो? 2000, 20,000, 50,000. उनमें से शायद तुम्हें 3 जन ने ऐसा बोल दिया कि तुम नहीं अच्छा लिखते, मान लिया तुमने, बंद कर दिया लिखना, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं पढ़ाई में ही ध्यान दे देता हूँ, ये सब बकवास फालतू चीज़ें. तुम्हें ही प्रॉब्लम है. वो 3 लोग और 30 जन जो जाको बोल देंगे उनको कि नहीं तुम भी अच्छा नहीं लिखते, और वो 30 जन और इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाएंगे उनसे, छोड़ देंगे लिखना. क्यों? उसने कहा मुझे, और उसका दिमाग क्या, IQ भी उसका नहीं है, 2 के बराबर नहीं है. ऐसे लोगों को हम मान रहे हैं, ऐसे लोगों की बात सुन रहे हैं. दे डोंट इवन डिजर्व. तुम इतने अच्छे जब बन सकते हो, गॉड नोस तुम्हारे बाजू वाला कल एक बड़ा राइटर बन गया तो यू नेवर नो. मुझे भी जो लोग मेरे बाजू में बैठे थे वो मेरे को ये बोलते हैं, भाई तू कब से लिख रही है, तू लिखती है, ये क्या हो गया? So it's a shock for everyone. So all you have to do, take out the fear, take out that thing कि लोग तुम्हें जज करेंगे. Get out of it. And not just for a writer. If you want to do it like, तुम्हें शायद कुछ और पसंद हो सकता है. Anyone wants to become a stand-up comedian. तुम्हें कॉमेडी करनी है. You want to become a photographer. The person here, I saw him. He's an extremely talented photographer. He has the guts to stand there. And he did his photography तुम सबके सामने. अगर कोई और होता है ना, I have a friend of mine जो इतनी बेहद अच्छी फोटोग्राफी करता है, वो लोगों के सामने आने से डरता है कि लोग उसको बोलेंगे और एक बंदा आके कैमरा उठा के खुद को फोटोग्राफर समझता है। ये सुना है, और ये कभी कभार मैंने भी शायद किसी को बोल दिया होगा कि ये तो क्या है, इसको तो आती भी नहीं है फोटोग्राफी, कैमरा लेके आ गया। क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता कि वो उसको कितना इन्फ्लुएंस कर देगा। तुम्हारा एक सेंटेंस किसी की पूरी लाइफ बिगाड़ सकता है, और तुम्हें नहीं पता होता कि तुम तो अपनी मस्ती में होते हो, पर वो जो इंसान होता है, जैसे तुम में से कोई, आई जस्ट वांट पीपल टू रेज देयर हैंड्स इफ दे फील कि एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम समबडी हैज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड देयर लाइफ। किसी ने तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कुछ किया है जिससे तुम कुछ चीज़ नहीं कर रहे हो। आई एम अ पर्सन, मेरे को किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया था, मैंने वो छोड़ दिया करना। फिर मेरे को रियलाइज़ हुआ यार गलत है, बहुत गलत है। खुद से लड़ाई कर रहे हो तुम, किसके लिए? किसी थर्ड पर्सन के लिए। उससे बेटर इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम इन समथिंग दैट यू आर रियली गुड एट। कुछ लोग मैथ विज होते हैं, जिनको मैथ्स बहुत अच्छी आती है, पर लोग डरते हैं ऐसे बोलने में कि मैथ्स में को अच्छी आती है। व्हेयरएज इट्स एकेडमिक थिंग। एकेडमिक्स में जहाँ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जिनको अच्छा आता है पढ़ना, वो बहुत बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, उनमें भी लोग जिनको वो चीज़ आती है वो डरते हैं कि लोग उनको बोलेंगे दीज पीपल आर नर्ड्स, इनको पढ़ाई के अलावा कुछ आता नहीं है। ऐसा भी बोलने वाले बहुत होते हैं कि ये तो देखो, क्या उसका क्या नाम होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ वो ऐसे तेल लगा के चोमू बन के आ गया, चोमू बन के आया है वो। दैट इज व्हाट पीपल से। सो अब जो पीपल आर ऑलरेडी इन द एकेडमिक थिंग, तुम सोचते हो कि तुम अगर एक आर्टिस्ट हो, और कुछ लोग हैं जो अकेडमिकली बहुत परफेक्ट है, वो लोग भी डरते हैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट करने में। तो ये प्रॉब्लम किसकी हुई? हमारी खुद की, उस इंसान की, या फिर लोगों और दुनिया की? वो दुनिया जो अकेडमिशियंस को भी ऐसा फील करा सकती है कि यू आर अ नर्ड, यू आर अ गीक, तुम पढ़ाई के अलावा कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हें लाइफ में कुछ और आता ही नहीं है, क्या करेंगे? और हमारे जैसे आर्टिस्ट लोग भी सुनना पड़ता है। सुनना तो सबको है ही, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, बोलने वाले। अब वो तुम पे है कि तुम सुनो और उसको अपने दिमाग में रखो, जहन में उतार रहे हो या उसको जाने दे। इट्स ऑलवेज अप टू यू। एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग इज ऑलवेज अप टू यू। सो बेसिकली दैट इज व्हाट ऑल आई हैव टू से हियर, स्टैंडिंग हियर, एंड नॉट बिकॉज मेरे को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है बोलने के लिए, बिकॉज मेरे को लग रहा है कि आई सी माई सेल्फ इन एवरी वन ऑफ यू। मेरे को दिख रहा है कि जो लोग आंखें में से मिला नहीं पा रहे, नीचे झुक के देख रहे, समझ में आता है मुझे कि तुम वही प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में। दैट इज वाई आई रियली लाइक टू स्पीक टू पीपल, आई रियली लाइक टू इंटरैक्ट, क्योंकि आई सी माई सेल्फ इन देम। मैं देख रही हूँ यहाँ पर दो लोग नहीं आंखें मिला पा रहे हैं मुझसे, या दो लोग बाजू वाले को बोल रहे हैं क्या बकवास कर रही है। और मैं भी ऐसी ही थी, जब कोई आता था स्पीच बोलने, मैं नहीं सुनती थी उसका, क्या बकवास है, क्या बोल रही है, कहाँ आ गए, चलो कॉलेज के फ्री टाइम आ गया, चलो सुन लेते हैं, किया हुआ है मैंने ये सब। But when you actually listen to that person and when you get to interact with that person, तुम्हें लगता है जब कि हाँ भाई चलो कोई है जिससे तुम बात कर सकते हो, that's a good feeling. So that is why I am here. Not because I am a writer and I'm here that I want all of you to read my book or something like that. No. I really want all of you to question me, bombard करो मुझे कि कैसे मैंने किया. If there's anything, any question, I'm here to answer your questions.
Yeah, I got a question.
Yes, sir.
वो डार्कनेस वाली चीज क्या हुई थी एक्चुअली, जो इन लोगों के साथ भी होता होगा सर? What's that actually and how to come up from that phase?
Well, the darkness thing that I faced was a very personal thing. अब क्या होता है कि लाइफ में क्या हो जाता है कभी कभार के ब्रेकअप हो जाता है ना। मेरे पेरेंट्स कैसे ब्रेकअप हो गया था, I got divorced. अब कोई और सुनता तो कितना शॉकिंग लगता है, नहीं मेरे पेरेंट्स डिवोर्स है, लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या हो जाएगा अगर किसी को पता चल जाएगा कि माय पेरेंट्स आर नॉट टुगेदर, कैसा लगेगा। दैट थिंग हैड अ प्रेशर ऑन मी, डाल दिया, मेरे को धकेल दिया अंदर पूरा का पूरा। दैट थिंग वॉज माई डार्कनेस। देन I met a very nice people. ऐसे ही जगह पे I met someone, a friend, a teacher, a mentor, my ma'am. I went to her, told my story to her. She gave me a solution to it because I talked, because I interacted, because I accepted कि हाँ मेरी लाइफ में है darkness, that I am a dark person. मैं थी ऐसी, ऐसे कोने में बैठ के ना बस बैठी रहती थी, कुछ नहीं करती थी, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई में ध्यान, जोन आउट कहते हैं ना, जैसे जोन आउट होना. तुम सामने वाले को देख रहे हो, तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा वो क्या बोल रहा है, अपनी दुनिया में तुम मस्त हो. दैट इज व्हाट जोन आउट मीन्स. मेरा ऐसा ही था. लोग मेरे को ना ऐसे उड़ाते थे, मेरी क्या कर रही है ऐसे साइड पे बैठ के, पूरा दिन रोती रहती है, उसका मुंह तो देखो उतर गया है. बिकॉज नो वन न्यू अबाउट माई प्रॉब्लम्स. अगर उनको पता चलता, दे वुड हैव सिंपथाइज्ड विथ मी. उनको मेरी प्रॉब्लम सुन के रोना आ जाता. आई डू नॉट वांट दैट. मैं ऐसी कोई नहीं हूँ कि कोई मेरे पे वो क्या कहते हैं, मेरी बातों पे रोए. इफ देर इज अ सिचुएशन इन योर लाइफ, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक, कि कोई तुम पे तरस रहम खाए. यू स्टैंड देयर एंड यू शो द वर्ल्ड दैट यू हैव गॉट समथिंग दैट एनीवन सिटिंग हियर डज नॉट. ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ में कितने लोगों को लगता है कि कोई तुम पे तरस खाए तो तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है. कोई नहीं, कोई आके ऐसे हो जाएगा ठीक, चल. My studies over writing. I'll definitely choose writing. पढ़ाई से मेरे को बहुत मतलब है, पर पढ़ाई मुझसे मतलब नहीं रखती है. पता नहीं क्यों, बनती नहीं है हमारी ज़्यादा. My parents had one expectation in their life कि मैं खुद के पैरों पे खड़ी रहूं. And I stood up to their expectations कि आज I am earning on my own. मेरी बुक्स है, बिकती है, मेरे को मिलते हैं पैसे. That is where I stood up. Now the one thing about studying is, what is the definition of your studying? कॉलेज में जाना, फिर PhD करना. मेरे लिए पता है स्टडिंग क्या है? कोई भी किताब खोल के पढ़ लेना. उतरा दिमाग में, अच्छा है. नहीं उतरा, और 2-3 किताब लाओ उसी टॉपिक की, वो पढ़ाई है मेरे लिए. मैंने एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स पढ़ा है, मेरे शक्ल से लगता है. लिटरेचर और फिजिक्स कहाँ आ गया साथ में, पढ़ा है मैंने. हिस्ट्री मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. अब वो तो, अब देखो मेरे को एक चीज़ तो पता है, यहाँ बैठे हुए को इतना तो लग रहा होगा. चलो आई डू वन थिंग. कैन यू प्लीज स्टैंड अप? या ऑफ कोर्स. एंड यू एज वेल. या कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी कि तुमने इतना टाइम मेरे को सुना, क्या लगा मेरे बारे में? कोई एटलीस्ट 4 things, 2 things that you think about me, 2 things that you think about me. हाँ, like please come. The stage is yours.
You are very known and popular person.
Yeah, exactly. Please.
Get a face of darkness also.
Really? I'll love to hear about it. So if you could tell me कि तुम लोग ने मेरे बारे में क्या सोचा? What type of a person I am? क्या करती होंगी मैं? मेरे फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या होंगे वही बता दो आप. कोई भी एक फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. क्या सब्जेक्ट? जैसे मैथ्स होता है, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, साइकोलॉजी. मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या होगा? साइकोलॉजी. कोई भी कुछ भी ऐसे गप्पा मार दो यार. तुम इंजीनियर एक्सपर्ट होते हो गप्पा मारने में, मेरे को पता है, देखा है मैंने. बोल दे अपना फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट, बोल दे. अब मैं बताऊं मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? बायोलॉजी एंड फिजिक्स. क्या 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 झटका लगा. हाँ, आई लव बायोलॉजी. मेरे को साइंस बहुत पसंद है और उसमें मैं बहुत आगे भी हूँ. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि मैं रट्टी किताबें नहीं पढ़ती, दिमाग यूज़ करती हूँ. दिया है ना इसके अंदर जो, वो. बायोलॉजी बहुत फेवरेट है मेरी. आई कुड हैव बिकम अ डॉक्टर. मेरे को बोला भी सही है हाँ, कि मेरे टीचर्स ने खुद मेरे को बोला है कि तू डॉक्टर बन सकती है, तेरे में वो है चीज़ बनने के लिए. मैंने ना बोल दिया, नहीं बनना मुझे. पढ़ना है, पढ़ाई की तरह रखो. मेरे को उसको कमर्शियलाइज नहीं करना है. समझ रहे हो कमर्शियलाइज का क्या मीनिंग है इसमें? मेरे को वो मेरी नॉलेज जो इतनी सी है, इतने बड़े दुनिया की हेल्प करने में कम पड़ जाने वाली है. जो मेरी नॉलेज है राइटिंग की, शायद इतनी होगी पर इतने बड़े दुनिया में I can work with it instead of this much. So those are my favorite subjects. और क्या जज किया होगा तुमने मुझे देख के? मैं क्या करती होगी पूरे दिन? One activity that you think that I'll be doing the whole day. क्या लगता है? क्या कर रही होंगी मैं? Anything, जो भी दिमाग में आ जाए. Thinking, I never think about anything. मेरे को है ना ये बहुत चीज़ें मेरे टीचर्स ने बोली है कि मैं सोचे बिना बोलती हूँ. कैसे होता है पता है? कोई टीचर मेरे को बोलता है, मैं 2 मिनट में जवाब दे देती हूँ ऐसे ही मुंह पे. मेरे को मुंहफट बोलते हैं ना, वैसी टाइप की हूँ मैं. सोचे बिना मैं बोलती हूँ. इतना जो लग रहा है ना कि मैं फिलोसॉफिकल हूँ, कुछ नहीं है ये. बिल्कुल नहीं है ऐसा. जैसी हूँ वैसी ही हूँ. बिल्कुल सोचे बिना आई थी यहाँ पे. इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग एल्स. सो अब देखा तुमने बेसिकली लोगों को क्या लगा? मेरे को साइकोलॉजी अच्छी आती होगी. मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट होगा साइकोलॉजी. बिल्कुल नहीं था. मेरे को कभी कभार ना ऐसे देख के सोना आ जाता था. नींद आ जाती थी साइकोलॉजी पढ़ते पढ़ते. पढ़ा है मैंने साइकोलॉजी. पसंद बहुत था. किताब नहीं पढ़नी थी बस. अब देखा तुम लोगों ने मेरे को जज कर लिया मेरे 30 मिनट के चीज़ से कि मेरे को साइकोलॉजी पसंद होगा, मेरे को ये पसंद होगा. क्या लगता है मेरे को? आधे लोगों को मेरे को ऐसा लगता है पक्का सोच रहे हो कि मैंने टैटू भी करवाया होगा. कान में पियर्सिंग करके मस्त. वो पता है वो एक लुक होता है आर्टिस्ट का, वैसे चल रही होती मैं. ऐसा सोचा होगा किसी ना किसी ने. पर आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन. तुम लोग ने सोच लिया मेरे बारे में 30 मिनट में. मेरे को क्या फ़र्क पड़ा? कुछ फ़र्क पड़ता है मुझे? नहीं. तुम लोगों को कोई थर्ड पर्सन आके कुछ भी बोल जाएगा, तुम्हें फ़र्क पड़ेगा? हाँ पड़ेगा. आज एक जन अगर मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ, मैं बोल दूँ कि मेरे को उस लड़के के चश्मे अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, लाल तेरे पे भाई सूट नहीं होता, तो ब्लू पेन. उसको अंदर से लगेगा कि कोई थर्ड पर्सन आके मेरे को बोल गया, उसको अफेक्ट होगा वो चीज़. वही चीज़ नहीं करनी है. कोई भी थर्ड पर्सन आके तुम्हारी लाइफ में इंटरफियर करे, ओपिनियन दे, उसकी जगह पे रखो. बोलो तुम्हें जो बोलना है बोलो, ठीक है. मैं अपने अंदर वो नहीं डालने वाली. That's it. I'd really like a few more questions and then that'll be my stage.
Fighting. It's a sign of.
Just sit in one corner and observe. Just sit in one corner and observe yourself. Don't blame on other, right? कुछ भी ब्रेकअप हो गया, ये ऐसा है, उसने मेरे साथ ये किया. But rather you should look to yourself. That I personally believe. You will get success. You will come out from all the problems once you will see and start to observe yourself. That is the only things is required in your life. Life is not complex actually. She rightly mentioned that clarity comes when audience is clear. When you connect with audience, the clarity automatic comes. See, in Mahabharata, Ramayana, all words are there in atmosphere. Why? जो भी આપણે જે બી બોલીએ છીએ, that sounds are already, that words, sounds, pitches all present in outer word only. You have to just pick up. And when you can pick up those words, when your mind is so clear, and when your mind is clear, when you understand yourself, what you want in your life, that's it. If you are clear that what you want, what makes you happy, what makes, you have to connect outer, you do not need to connect with people actually. You have to connect with yourself. We don't know sometimes what we want in our life. That the things creates many problem. उन्होंने बोला ऐसा है, चलो एडमिशन ले लिया. उन्होंने ये शर्ट लिया तो मैंने ये लिया. जो भी कपड़े में भी ऐसे ही होता है. जो भी फैशन है वो चल रहा है तो ऐसे पहन लिया. ऐसे नहीं है. आई लाइक जीन्स एंड टी शर्ट, देन वेयर इट. डजेंट मैटर कि फैशन चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, क्या है. ये फैशन चल रहा है तो यही कपड़े पहने. You are moving with flow only. If you see yourself, then you will realize that you have something out of flow. So for this thing, what I suggest, just sit in corner, observe yourself, what you want in your life. How many of you are clear that what they want in your life? Nobody's. पता ही नहीं है क्या है. उन्होंने बोला ना ऐसे ही उठे, ये हुआ कि ये किया, फर्स्ट रैंक आना है तो चलो इतने, इसने ये दो चैप्टर्स पढ़ लिए, मेरे एक चैप्टर्स खत्म हो गया. Nandu, he never read anything when we were studying together. He was different, very different than others. So ऐसा नहीं होता है लाइफ में कि इसने किया तो हमने कर लिया, right? Or age is just a number. You must be feeling that she's just 17 and we are 20. We crossed already 20 and 22 and हमें इतना भी नहीं पता. We can't able to write any single sentence. We are not confident. Age is just a number. I'm going for swimming since last 1 month. So I saw one lady, 76 years lady. She started swimming at the age of 62. When she retired at the age of 62, she started swimming. Swimming is not just like, it requires stamina, it is physical activity, right? So age is just a number. તો એજથી તમે એમ થાય કે ઓ અમે તો બહુ મોટા થઈ ગયા, હવે કશું ના કરી શકીએ, અમારો ટાઈમ જતો રહ્યો, એ વિચારોને વિચારોમાં તમે સ્ટક થઈ જાઓ છો. And writing is the best thing in the world to shower out your emotions. Because જે વસ્તુ તમે લખી લો ને, when you put something on book, તો તમે અંદરથી ખાલી થઈ જાઓ. You feel so empty. So much empty, like you will connect to the energy which is empty. I don't know the word. So I also used to write sometimes when I was when I used to felt sad during many things. So whenever આપણે રાઇટર્સ નથી બનવું, રાઈટ? રાઇટર્સ બનવાનો કોઈ એમ નથી. She doesn't want to become a writer, right? એ તો અચાનકથી જ બની ગયા. તો આપણે કોઈ બનવા માટે બુક્સ નથી લખવાની. The easiest way to come out of the problem is writing. You just need pen, pencil and one corner. You write in Gujarati, English, Hindi, whatever. Just write down your problems. When you write down the problems, so you feel so empty. જે તમે અંદરથી ભરીને રાખો છો. See, there are many ways, but writing is the best way. You do not need any person to judge your feelings. If I have some problem, I will discuss with him. He will give me some suggestions. यार ये तू गलत है, तू ऐसी है, तुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए, तेरा प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन आ जाएगा. कुछ भी बोलेंगे. थर्ड पर्सन, they will give their suggestions which will disturb your mind again and again, right? So the best way and easiest way I ever seen is writing. You just write down. Before sleep, if you write down, so you will be in another state. कुछ अलग ही state में आ जाओगे. So that's it.
Session number 1 over. Pranjali Dave. ફરક પડ્યો લોકોને. એવું થયું કે અમારો ગુનો શું છે આજે? so many અથોડા, આટલા બધા on psychology and everything. Reason એવું છે કે we like to shop. Why we go to the mall, shopping mall? Why we choose things? We like ambience, we like the level, we like the cleanliness, everything. So that's what I'm doing here in the Polytechnic. Entry level, everybody is same. And they separate out in various branches like computer, IT, electrical, civil. And after 2 years, why there is so much difference between two students in the same college? હવે તમને બધાને ખબર જ છે કે what is the reason behind that? Because I invest in you people. Like third semester morning is available over here. અને એમને એવું લાગશે કે ઇઝ ધીસ ક્રાઉડ આર વી બિલોંગ ટુ ધીસ ક્રાઉડ, કે અમે કંઈક અલગ છીએ. નોટ લાઈક ધીસ, બટ ઇટ્સ માય પ્રોજેક્શન કે આફ્ટર 1 year you will be over here, after 2 years you will be at LD or VGC, after 5 years you will be at a very good company, and still you are able to connect me. During your job celebration or during your birthday, you like to call me somewhere, and that particular group will be a truly intellectual group actually. So that's what my projection is, nothing else. Baki IT ma, we have not that boundary actually कि you do this or you do not do this. You keep your level up, that's it. That's what the ultimate thing I want from you. હવે આપણે ક્રાઉડને જોઈએ તો લાઈક ભવ્ય પાછળ યલોમાં બેઠો છે મસ્ત એકદમ. ઇઝ અ ડિફરન્ટ વન એકચ્યુઅલી, કલરથી અલગ દેખાય છે, લ્યુમિનન્સ એનું, બરાબર. અક્ષર એક અલગ જ ટાઈપના પિંકમાં છે. આપણે અમેરિકામાં નથી, અધરવાઇઝ ધ કોમેન્ટ વુડ બી ડિફરન્ટ. વી આર ઇન ઇન્ડિયા. ઇન્ડિયા માટે પરફેક્ટ છે, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. સો વી કેન સી લોટ્સ ઓફ કલર્સ. અમેરિકન્સ છે ને થોડા ડિસ્ટ્રેક્ટ થઈ જાય. I don't know why they are so. IT ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી ચાલે, બટ IT ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી સ્ટીલ કલર સેન્ટ્રિક, યુ નો. કલર સેન્ટ્રિક તમને અત્યારે નહીં ખબર પડે. અને ઇવન હું પણ નર્ડ છું એકચ્યુઅલી, વોટ એવર આઈ એમ સ્પીકિંગ, આઈ નો ફ્યુ બેઝિક થિંગ્સ ઓનલી. Now let's go to this particular topic કે ફેશન કોને કહેવાય, કેવા લાગીએ, શું લાગીએ. And do not take Simran Patel for granted કારણ કે she is the pass out from this college, but you see her as a speaker. Do not have any bias. You listen to her and then we'll have a hard debate. You express your views clearly, then and there our trending talk program will be successful in the future. Future presentation is already booked. Krupa છે જ અહીંયા, and she is gearing up for next turn I mean, after 1 or 2 weeks actually, and she is a really hard speaker actually. You have to keep your stopwatch over there. Okay, 60 minutes is over, 120 minutes over. That's how you people are doing actually. You should be one of them. So I invite Simran. Our session is live. Pranjali's session is still live in the background. So Simran, please come over here.
Everyone knows me here, I think so. Yeah, I am the ex-student of GP. I was in IT. So yeah, I would like to thank Nandu sir for giving me this opportunity. According to you, what is fashion? What comes in your mind when you hear fashion actually? Anyone? No. Okay. So first thing that pops up in my mind when I hear fashion, it's clothing, right? Whenever we go, we shop, we do. And my favorite hobbies, I used to do whatever I like. And this, I started this when I was 15. I used to just pick up random clothes, old t-shirts and all from my wardrobe. I used to remake it. I used to give it new look and and then I liked it, what I was doing. Then I showed to my friends, my family members, and they all were liking it. So I just developed my interest and I love to wear different clothes. Fashion actually for me is, it's very personal. It gives an impact what you are. It shows what you are and how other perceives us. Fashion is very important. I think for everyone our appearance is important, right? So when you go for a camp, what do? You pack your bags. When you have your examinations, you prepare for it. You have preparation, you have presentation, then you prepare for it. So same, I think clothing is nothing different in this. If you don't believe me, go on a walk with a skirt, wearing skirt or heels on, or try attending a meeting in your old gym sweaty clothes. It will be awkward, somewhat. So instead of that, try ironing your shirt before attending a meeting, or just put a piece of a tie or something, a neck piece. These little things can make you more confident whole day long. It will just, I will share you one experience. I just went wearing a skirt and a top which I designed. The speciality of that top was it was having a 1 meter cloth in each sleeve. So just imagine the sleeve, how long it will be. So it was very weird and something uncomfortable. I am self-conscious. I don't like to, wear some clothes that are in which I am not comfortable actually. I used to design clothes, I make new clothes, but the clothes in which I'm not comfortable, I won't wear them. Fashion trending talks is all about this. Fashion trends are also developing. I will not agree with you that fashion trends we should not try them. I think we should try them all. It's like we are updating ourselves. Fashion trends, it's like
We must try.
yeah,
It's not
but then we can choose what we like. We should try them all. Yeah,
what others are wearing that we should not wear.
we should try them all. It's like updating ourselves, and what we like, then we'll choose. Okay, I like this. I will go for this. So it's right. We should try them all. They are like we are updating. We are just keep on just moving and moving. It's good. Um, Clothing for me is very, 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 very special for me. I just put this my heels on whenever some special occasion is there because it makes me a little taller and it makes me confident. Like, okay, I am here. I'm visible to all. It's really very awkward to me standing over here and giving a speech like this because I used to sit over there and I just used to make fun of those who are very here. So it's very now I feel what they must be feeling. So clothing for me, I can see many of boys they are dressed so well. Actually, I used to look at a boy's dressing sense because I'm really fond of it. Girls, I know I wear, so I make. I used to make. Actually, I used to dress girls also, but then also I look boys side because I love looking at them when they are dressed. I have seen many boys, they are in formals over here. Actually, they are formal, but they are wearing sports shoes. Oh, come on. You can just not wear your sports shoes in your every outfit you want. I'm not wanting any particular one, but it's like you're wearing a so nice dress and then you are wearing a sports shoes. Oh, no, you're just spoiling it. So instead of that, you can must try some loafers and all. It will look good. So first for boys is shoes and the second thing is combinations. I can see the different combinations over here. They are wearing different colors. So combination for boys and girls, it may be the best combination will be the denims and the black top or something, black shirt on. Or anything. I love dressing sense of Nandu sir. He used to dress very nice. So he has some. So don't wear this. Just go for you are going for formals and you are just wearing sports shoes. You can add your loafers and everything. No, I'm not pointing on you, but it's not okay. Third thing I have observed in many boys, they are wearing shirt, formal shirt and all. They are wearing loafers and they are again wearing jeans. You are spoiling your shirt look, your shoes look. Go for pants. You have some options. And boys also have the same options for girls. Girls are okay, they are having a more, little more. But you don't have the small amount of choices. You have more. So you can just go for pants instead of your jeans when you are wearing a formal shirt and loafers. So it's good to just see. And the fourth thing, accessories. Best thing for boys and girls both. That you can just add a piece of accessories when you are here. And the best accessories for boys is goggles and your watch. They just add your okay, now you are perfect. They just add it. And the fifth is confidence. When you wear whatever you are wearing, but if you are confident, everything looks good. Everything. There might be some people not be wearing the clothes they want to wear or they love to wear because okay they will judge me. Exactly, everything comes from judging. I was in the same college. I don't used to wear some fancy clothes in the college. I used to dress simple, jeans, tees and all. And just because लोग क्या कहेंगे this was the first and everything if we stand we go we walk over here like this they all will be like okay क्या पहन के आ गई है कॉलेज आई है या घूमने आई है so this all happens over here but this is time to change you can wear whatever you want in the college actually college is the best place where you can just try on all your fashions and who will be judging you your friends so it's fine and they won't be judging you after it's common. if you will wear it, other one will also have that guts कि okay अब भी पहन सकते हैं ये सब college में अब. So it's nice to wear everything in the college. It's not like there were some rules said before. I just heard that every students of IT and computer must be wearing formals every day, but that is not so working good. And as Nandu sir is here, it's always going on in the fashion and trends and all. So you wear whatever you want to wear. So everyone, I love dressing. I love designing for kids. Actually, I love watching them dressing. What they do is they put on their favorite clothes and accessories at the same time. If they are wearing pink frock, they will wear some yellow socks and they will wear some same color accessories, and they are wearing this all things, but they still look pretty because they are walking in a confidence. They don't know, they don't actually care what others will think. They are doing what they love to do, and that's, we can try that same. I'm not asking you to just put at all the same accessories what you like at the same time, but there must be something in your closet that must be bringing a good luck. This health actually brings a good luck for me. I believe in it. So it's not because I didn't bought them from a good luck basket or something like that, but it's like, okay, I have just associated, or just I've been making this with, I'm just having good memories with it. Whenever you give a cloth or a piece of accessory a good, then when just you connect them with your good vibes, then it will just bring, every time you wear it will give you some confidence, and yeah, okay, it will be good luck for you. It's not like we are going to buy some good luck charm and all that, but it's good to wear something that you feel that you are confident about it when you are having it, or you're on this. Anything fashion, yeah, for the girls, actually, every time in the morning when I wake up and I open my closet, I will be like, आज क्या पहन के जाऊंगी, ये तो कल ही पहना था, अरे इसमें तो गर्ल्स के प्रॉब्लम्स ज़्यादा होते हैं. दे डोंट गेट वैक्स्ड समटाइम्स, सो दे डोंट वेयर शॉर्ट्स, दे आर नॉट एबल टू वेयर शॉर्ट्स, दे आर नॉट एबल टू वेयर whatever they like every time. But according to their circumstances, they used to dress best. Actually, girls, they are like, okay, we can be beautiful, and sometimes it comes from jealousy. Girls, the most common factor is jealousy. वो मेरे से अच्छी दिख गई आज. I was having my one colleague with me. She used to study with me. I won't take name, but every time she walks in, I feel like, oh, she's looking good. So, but then I used to, okay, I'm too good. I'm better than her. Every time girls can connect this. If someone is sitting prettier than you, and you will be like, oh, she's nice. This is also in me. I too, when I met Pransli for the first time, I was like, oh, she dressed nice, because something that came in my mind whenever I look at someone, I just used to see their dressing sense. That impressed me a lot. And boys, what you do with that your Salman Khan's bracelets and all, just opening it, it's just girls don't impress him from that all things, so please stop doing that. If you want to add a accessory, add a watch or something. What's that? So it's not so good. Boys might be thinking, okay, I'm looking cool, sari girls dekhengi, I will be impressing them. But no, girls like decent clothing. So don't go for that. Have your own style. Actually, don't copy someone. This is Salman Khan's. What वो क्या करेगा, मैं भी वो फैन होते हैं ना उनके ऐसे कि अच्छा वो करते हैं मैं भी ऐसे ट्राई करूँगा. No. So it's better you dress for girls' problem. Actually, I have one thing for you that will might help you. I just made this by using a LimeRoad scrapbook. I just made a 10 different looks that you can wear in a college. So whenever you open your closet, you don't have to think that much. आज क्या पहन के जाओ, you can have some different looks, and I will love to suggest that, because you can arrange your everyday look, and then you can go for a weekly. I used to do that when I was in first semester or second semester, but after looking at the college I was like, okay, यहाँ कुछ चलने वाला है नहीं ये सब मेहनत करके कुछ फायदा है नहीं है. So it's good to wear whatever you like. Actually, I was in a college when I used to come here. When everyone else were in a jeans, I used to have some. I would love to dress different. When they all are in jeans, I will have some traditional look, or when they are having traditional look, I will come in western. I don't just like whatever else are doing. I will do something different. Okay, you are going for this. Okay, I will go for that. I don't want that common. You know, when we were celebrating days. We all decided, okay, we are wearing this. I used to wear that, but I will come in a fusion where I can just maybe unique one or some different. Okay, in group of this, I am visible. I am here. I am visible. So I used to dress different than all. So it's not like judging. लोग तो जज करने वाले हैं, उनको तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता. So पहनो ना जो पहनना है वो, दूसरों के बारे में क्यों सोचते हो? Just wear whatever you want to or whatever you like to wear. I used to have some exhibitions at different places. I used to have exhibition in weekend windows and some at YMCA lawns and everywhere. So there my client may come and they say, I don't want this belt. This is not looking good on me. Everything looks on good on you if you are in confident. If you are confident about yourself, whatever you wear doesn't matter, but it will look good. They comes with different needs. I don't want this sleeve. Can you please just cut it off and just make it simple? This is a designer piece. I have designed it for specially for sleeves and you are asking me to cut that off. So that's not working with it exactly. When I used to have that exhibition, I remember I had an exhibition last time. There came a little kid. Say, दीदी आप मेरे लिए बना के दोगे? मैं तो क्या चाहिए आपको कि ये ड्रेस पर मेरी साइज में चाहिए मुझे. I was like, okay. Then her mother came कि ये तो ऐसे ही बोलती रहती है. Then I just took his contact number, her contact number, and then I contact her. Then I just gifted her that piece, and she looks so pretty. I just have that in my Instagram. So client diaries, but she was so cute. Then I just came from her only. She was wearing my dress. She was having a yellow socks, yellow hairband, and it was really a mess. But she was looking pretty because she was in confident. She was not thinking about what others will think or anything else. So I learned from her that what we feel about ourselves is much more better than what I was thinking that what other will think. So it's like वो तो सोचते रहेंगे पर I am feeling good in this. I am looking good. I am confident about it what I am wearing. I'm not confident in wearing that long because I think I am looking shorter in that. But then also I will wear it. I wore that and I'm confident that it was looking good on me. Whenever you go have a look in a mirror and you say, यार ये क्या पहना है? Then it will not going to work. But if you say, oh, I'm looking pretty, it will just flow. It will just go on. So it's good wearing different things. So I will just like to just play that video. So it's having a 10 different looks for girls that may help you in getting dressed every morning.
Comparative. Oh.
Templates must channel.
Street smart.
Plazo. Make us chair. So this was, I hope this will help you all from for getting dressed. I have something from boys. It's 5 tips. I already talked about it, but just have a look for it. You have this many choices. Why you are wearing sports shoes? So this is what I like when boys are wearing. When boys are dressed in this all, I love to watch them. I just keep on looking at them and I don't give them wrong signals, but I just look at them. I just love watching them.
Okay, then. Yeah. Now, what is her strength? Do you know this? In this polytechnic campus, I found her so confident from day one. She doesn't care about clothing or about boys. What they comment, she deals. It's the same way they give it to her. So that's her confidence actually. Secondly, Steven, can you pick up any guy or girl you feel we dressed up well?
I just go and look. Oh, he's nice. He's wearing formal shoes.
Let's stand up.
She is wearing nice.
Let's stand up.
This for her.
Okay. Anybody still?
You are standing there.
This program is for you.
I actually love dressing sense of Neil ma'am, but she is not present over here. But I love her dressing sense also. She is very good at it.
Any suggestions for boss dressing? Suggestions? We should not pick up anybody.
I already told that before that you should not wear sports shoes when you are going for formals. So yeah, it just totally spoiled it. For girls, they know what they are wearing, and they look pretty in whatever they wear. Actually, they won't do this when they are going for formals. They will have some sandals or loafers. I know that because girls are okay. They are having many choice. When you open their closet, it's a mess over there. My mom used to scold me every day when she opens my closet. Why you are having such a mess? Just clean it up. And I'm like, okay, I will clean it up and the other day it will be the same. So I don't just go.
Pocket money.
When it's just come to the exhibition, I earn 20,000 or to 25,000 in 3 days. So it's
Session number 2, fashion. Did you enjoy? So Pranjali Dave, then Simran Patel, head to head. And still we are on. Sessions are still on. That's what I mean from information technology students. એટલે થર્ડ સેમ વાળા પેલા ના થઈ જતા એમ કે વેર વી આર ને who is dealing with us, there is nobody for us. It's not like that. A certain time, certain place, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Now third is unsung hero actually, Shyamal Joshi. I interacted with him a few days back. I found profound knowledge about photography and everything. This IT is so lucky about it. So I call upon Shyamal Joshi to share his experience or something new for this particular crowd. I cannot make him as a speaker because he is ongoing student actually. That's why I have not given that tag. But still I feel you should speak something regarding to your experience.
Hello everyone. I think Nandu sir might call me on a stage to share my wildlife experience and all that things. Actually, I am a student right now, so I am not allowed to do this. But sir told me that the stage is ours. Like we can speak anything over here. So maybe some of you know me, maybe some of you don't have any idea who am I. So my name is Shama Prasad Joshi and I am a wildlife photographer. I started my wildlife photography when I was 10 years old. And since then, like, I captured every single moment which happened in my surroundings and all the things. So, I don't have any idea how many lakhs image I have captured till this day. But let me share one experience. Like, when I was 18 years old, so I was wandering in my friend's farm and I saw one spider web and it was like I can capture a perfect moment from this spider web, and I have spent it almost 1.5 months for scouting the same space for a 1.5 month constantly day and night. Like I spent 3 to 4 hours each and every day. When I was an 18 years old guy and I was in 12th science. Actually, I failed in 12th science due to my passion in photography because I was not that into a study. I was like, I will do whatever I want, and my father, like, they pushed me to, like, go to the edges of your skills and do whatever you want. So let me speak about this image first. So I have spent almost 1.5 months behind this image. Let's look. When a spider, like, this is the larva of a garden modern spider. So these are not very common spider. You can, like, you need to search for so many days to, like, get this spider. So they don't give a birth to their baby via eggs or something. They have their like something, a small egg, and they then after, like, they cover it with their larvas and all that. And so after waiting for 20 to 40 days, the larva will hatch and like a baby spider. Just zoom it in. Yeah. So you can see the before the larva broken or after larva is broke. So there will be no image. But in between that time, that's why I scouted the same place for 1.5 months. So you can see the larva is broken and the house spider is coming out of that. And actually, this image won a 50,000 prize in National Geographic. So I have many images like that. I don't know how much images I have taken, but camera never matters. I have bought every single camera after my first camera, which my father bought me, and that was a film camera. After that, I sold my images at many big places. I have sold my images at a Getty Images. My costliest images which I sold is like a 1,20,000 rupees for. So you need stage, you need experience. It's not like a one-day job. You need to skip your classes and everything. But I'm not saying like that you should skip all your classes and do like focus on only one thing. You should focus on what your goals. If you run behind that goals, you will achieve anything you want. And I did that. I'm not telling anyone to do this or that because everyone have their family pressure and I cannot say that. But after like spending 10 straight year in a wildlife, I have gone into many competition. It's not like I have won every single competition. Like 1.5 month back, I went to the wildest forest of central India, a Satpura Tiger Reserve, where I spent like it was a golden period of my life. I have spent it like 6 days with some of the most brilliant wildlife photographers and one of the India's biggest wildlife photographers, Shivang Mehta. You can search for them on Google. And they have spent 25 years of their life with tigers. And I was lucky enough to spend my time with them. And there was a competition held over there. So we were like after 60 to 70,000 application, they just choose a 40 photographers. We were 40 lucky peoples who got a chance to get participated in that competition, not even winning that competition. To even get participated in that competition, I was trying for the last 3 years. And after trying so hard for that competition, I got participated in that competition. And after like 6 straight days, we were like, actually me personally, I was very concerned to win that competition. So for 6 straight days, we were sleeping like for a 2 to 3 hours max. We was like capturing pictures for 21 hours straight a day, every single day. Actually, I got sick after that moment. So after 6 days, we were skipping our like breakfast, dinner, lunch, everything. We were skipping like कुछ भी ले लिया और जंगल में जाके खा लेंगे. ऐसा कुछ भी होता था. So show the next image. So after spending that much time, I have finally got this crown eagle in the wildest moment, and you can see the tags and all that. But so what do you think? Can this image win the competition? Yeah, I'm asking you. No, but it was just a honorary mention. After spending a 21 hour a day for a 6 straight days, this was just an honorary mention. So you can think how big that stage was. There was a moment. If I won that competition, maybe I was right now in the BBC. So that begs to like that is. Yes. So we have standed at the same place for a 6 straight hour. It was like वो चिड़िया का वो घोंसला बोलता है ना, ऐसा था उसके ऊपर वहाँ पे उसका. सो आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दैट परफेक्ट, ये पीछे पूरा फॉरेस्ट दिखना चाहिए और बीच में आके ये बैठे, तब मैं फ़ोटो खींचूंगा. तो इट वॉज लाइक आई वेट फॉर 6 to 7 hours that day, on a third day maybe, and I got this image. But I was very happy with this image specifically. And after that I see I run to show this image to Shivang sir, who was my mentor at that competition, and he was like, yeah, it's a very good image. But the person who is judging me, he was a Padma Shri in a photography. So like after 6 days, final submission, and I submitted my few images. But personally, I think this was the best image I got. I got even a tiger images, but it doesn't matter the subject. What matters is how you see the subject. Like I can give a camera worth 4 or 6 lakh and any person in this crowd, and I will just capture any images with my like 2 megapixel phone. Let's see the final result. It's all about the vision you have. Like it's never about the camera. It's the eye behind the camera that matters always. Like it always matters that कि photo कौन खींच रहा है. You need that skills. क्योंकि दुनिया को अलग नज़रिए से देखना पड़ता है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होता कि या यू सी द मूवमेंट एंड यू कैप्चर्ड. There was one incident when we were in Ladakh. So I was capturing a mountain with I want to capture it with sunrise. So we were standing at a lake and we were waiting for a perfect sunset out of the hills. So हम लोग ऐसे ही लेक पे बैठे थे कि we want an entire reflection of mountains in lake. So we were waiting for almost 2 to 3 hours, and वहाँ पे पीछे से कोई आया और बोला कि भाई मछली पकड़ रहे हो क्या. So it's about your vision. So ऐसा ही चलता रहता है कि फोटोग्राफी में बहुत कुछ स्किप करना पड़ता है. लाइक वी हैव दैट आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग 10 years, पहले 3-4 साल में तो मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं था. So after spending 10 years, I have patience now. I can stay the same place. I was like sleeping on the floor. I don't worry about my clothes and anything. So I was sleeping on the floor and 3-4 घंटे पानी वानी पिया वगैरह ही ऐसे ही फोटो खींचते रहते हैं. और for that perfect moment, and I'm still saying like I won't get any image yet in my life. I was still waiting for that perfect image which will take me to the next level or next stage. So that's my struggle and all that. Maybe I don't know, I will keep up for photography for my entire life. I don't know, but you should always go for your goals, and that will help you the most. It doesn't matter you took an IT engineering or something else or commerce, or it doesn't matter.